Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 5 Minute Solution. Friends, today I'll show you that how to split a screen on Windows 10. Sometimes we need to use more than one screen on desktop. On that case, you can use this trick. It's so easy and effective method. So to know this setting, please watch the whole video, and if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel 5 Minute Solution yet, please subscribe now and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. I'll show you two methods to split the screen on Windows 10. The first method is two screen split on same time in your desktop. Like I want to split these two, this one and also this one. So to split the screen, you have to press Windows button and arrow button together. So press now and see, it has been already split, right? One screen is right side and you have to select from here which one you want to keep on left side. So I want to keep this one on left side, so I have to select this one. So click the left button of your mouse and see the screen has been splitted, right? So like this you can split if you need two screens together. But if you need more than two screens at the same time on your desktop, so what will you do? For this I'll show you the second method. So minimize this one and also this one, and also I can open another one and I can minimize. Now I have to maximize a tab first. So this one I want to maximize, then again I have to minimize a little bit. Now you have to press left button of your mouse on the taskbar, then you have to move a little bit on the right side corner. Now you can see a little bit dissolve of a rectangle box. If you see like this, then left your button from the mouse. Now it has been set at right side top corner, right? Now I want to set another one right side down corner. For this I have to select tab. I want to set this one. Now you can minimize a little bit. Now you can set like this, or you can set like this on left corner. Then you can customize how you like. Now you have to select the tab to set on left side. So I want to set this one, so you can keep like this, and I want to set another one. I want to keep like this. So like this you can split more than two screens at the same time on your desktop. To make a split two screen or more than two screen, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel 5 Minute Solution and press the bell icon to get next video notification. Thank you for watching this video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.